have work at 10 a.m. No problem. I'm not drunk, and I can walk in straight lines. Go for it. Bugging.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Your child lives today, tomorrow. I'm not drinking. That was the first drink I ever had in 3 years. I didn't move from that bar to walking to right here until they got on.
On June 23rd, 2025, Tampa Airport Police responded to a gate disturbance. A woman denied boarding by American Airlines refused to leave the secure area.
Intoxicated, doesn't understand, won't leave the lounge, keeps continuing to board.
Go for it.
She's booked for tomorrow.
Booked for tomorrow?
I have work at 10 a.m. No problem. I'm not drunk, and I can walk in straight lines. Go for it. Go for it. Come on.
Listen, when they just say
Behind the back end, slow down.
I sat at the bar sitting here waiting.
Okay.
I didn't argue with nobody. I didn't go.
What time tomorrow?
She's on 11:51
11:51 a.m.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So no, if I ever
we can try to get you rebooked.
No, but if you personally, and I could call my dad, that's a cop officer, he would say walk a straight line. If I can't walk a straight line, that's okay.
That's not what we do. But if they make that determination and you can't fly, you can't fly.
But I'm not intoxicated.
They're a private business and they can deny you boarding for anything. So what I'm saying is that has nothing to do with us. We don't do anything
Okay,
to allow you to go
so
home.
guaranteed, because I'm about to sue them. I'm letting you know that now, because I got the money for it. So you letting me know they're denying the flight for me not argue. I didn't do a breathalyzer. I didn't argue with nobody. All I did was walk past that, and they denied me. So you're telling me
That you're not flying tonight.
yes, and that's
That you're
fine.
flying tomorrow morning.
And
They
that's
rebooked
fine,
you for
'cause I don't
tomorrow
have a
morning.
job. You know what I'm saying? I don't work 9 to 5. So as long as I know that I paid twice, and they did
No, you didn't pay twice. They just
I did
rebooked
pay,
you.
No, I did pay twice. I booked Friday and I booked today, and they didn't allow me. I'm not drunk. I can literally walk a straight line.
Well, since you got rebooked, you can't hang out here.
No, I hear you.
So we have to go to the main terminal.
No, I get what you're saying. I'm not flying home to New York. That's fine. But what I'm saying is, I'm getting a bag. Because that was crazy.
So we're gonna walk you over so you could go to the main terminal.
That's
Use a
fine.
plate.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's what the lady was saying. I can get the new boarding
Go ahead.
pass
I'm
number.
not. I'm not getting on the flight, so I'm not walking that.
Well, that's your bag.
That's fine. I get you. But I'm not walking on that. So that's fine. Come on.
Okay, well, grab your bag.
That's fine. I love that for you.
Ma'am, grab your bag.
I'm not getting on the flight.
All right.
So it don't mean that.
Listen.
I hear you.
You act like this. You're making
No, because now I'm mad. I've just paid $500 to get on the flight.
Well, that has nothing to do
It
with
does.
that.
It
No,
does.
it doesn't.
because
We don't
it came
work
on
for the
my
airline.
account, and she just decided to be ignorant. So no,
Well,
it
they
does.
rebooked you for tomorrow.
It doesn't matter. I got work at 10 a.m. and I'm not drunk and I'm not intoxicated. So I'm not pulling that. Respectfully.
All right, well, then it's just going to get sent to our lost and found then.
That's fine.
All right.
That's fine. I'm here for it. You didn't want to take me on a flight, and that's fine.
That has nothing to do with
And
us.
I understand that.
Obviously,
but
you don't, because you keep saying it.
No, because the fact that I sat here since 5 p.m., and the fact that y'all let me sat there and you let this lady sat here and pose my flight that I can't get on, yes, now I have a problem. Yes, I do. I didn't have a problem before, but now I do. I didn't move from that bar to walking to right here until they got on. So now I do have a problem. That's why I'm mad. It wasn't, but before she checked me in. She said, "Oh no, you're drunk." No, I'm not. I'm sitting here sober. I'm saying
You can be mad at them, but don't be mad at us.
I'm not mad at you, baby. Baby. Listen, baby. I can sit home sober. I don't give a f. But what I'm mad at is the fact that I sat here for 2 hours and she didn't allow me to get on the flight.
You can make the complaints with
Yes, but I still, my siblings still paid for the flight that I couldn't get on.
Okay.
So that's what I'm at. It doesn't matter what the simple fact is, because I'm not on that flight to get me to New York at 10 a.m. It does not matter what you're saying.
Man, you're going to stop screaming.
No, it doesn't matter what I'm screaming. Because now the simple fact, listen, I paid a flight. All right, listen, I'm not arguing with you. Now I'm talking to my parents. Daddy, they're not letting me get on a flight because the simple fact I don't have a real ID. And before I turn it up on these motherfuckers, you better come get me. Straight like that. Straight like that. It ain't because I don't have an ID. These the white motherfuckers, and they not letting me cross the border.
I'm not taking it. It's your bag.
Yes, you're fiending. No, I do have to do that because you're fiending like I'm an animal and I don't have no Mary Jane and I don't have none of that. So now y'all about to sit here and take me. So now y'all about to be so tough and now my cops is about to hear you because now you're on some bullshit. I said what I said
146
and
copy.
I said what I said and I don't guarantee it. I don't have no weed. I'm not drunk. I'm not intoxicated. So, yeah. I'm gonna act a fool.
Alright, well if you act a fool, you're gonna talk yourself into going to jail, and you don't want to do that because then you're not gonna make your flight at all.
Because you know what? I got work at 9 a.m.
Alright, well let's get going.
So come on, Papa.
Let's make progress.
Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44,902 airlines hold independent federal authority to refuse transport. Officers have no power to override that decision, and correctly said so. Once her boarding pass was voided, the directive to relocate was lawful. Refusal to comply is where a civil grievance becomes criminal exposure under Florida Statute Section 877.03. Florida courts apply Section 877.03 narrowly. Profanity and anger alone don't satisfy it. The threshold requires an actual breach of the peace or fighting words. The subject's threat against an airline employee's living child approaches that line. Under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 1942, fighting words must be directed at a specific individual and carry a credible context-specific threat of harm. Officers aren't required to resolve that distinction on scene. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, their decisions are judged by what a reasonable officer concludes in the moment, not in hindsight.
Come on, Papa. Let's go. And I promise you, my dead son gonna end all y'all careers. I promise you, my dead son is gonna end y'all career. And y'all gonna wish y'all ain't never do this. My son
You got somebody coming to pick you up?
No, I'm driving home. My son died 2 days ago.
So you drove here?
Treat me like an animal? I live in New York. And you wanna treat me like this? The business bro gonna up.
So where you going now?
New York.
You're not going to New York right now.
How much you want to bet I'm going?
Not right now.
How much you want to bet?
What, you driving there?
The deceased mother that's going through what she's going through, and I'm not drunk. I drunk 2 margaritas.
All
and
right, I'm not saying you were drunk.
I just want you to understand. Just think about it. The mother that just lost her child 2 days ago, and she's explaining to you that she's not drunk. I could walk a straight line, and I still made sure I didn't board. Better than birds are going to take care of you. I'm not going to argue.
So where you going now?
Take me where.
Well, I got the operations manager coming to talk to you.
Right, go for it. Come on.
So we're just going to hang out right here.
Yeah. I
They're
love
right there.
that. I love it. Come on. I love that. My son died yesterday. Bugging.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Your child lives today, tomorrow. I'm not drinking. That was the first drink I ever had in 3 years. My child died. You're bugging, and you made me miss my flight.
No, I didn't make you miss your flight.
This one right here did. No, and I promise you, on everything I love, your child gonna feel that pain that I felt. Because I lost my child off of SIDS, bro. And you stopped my flight. So I promise you, all the hell that it is that I dealt with right now, bro, you about to get it. You about to get it. I promise you about to get it. And that shit hurt. Because I got work. I gotta work 9 to 5, bro. And you stopped my flight. Yes, you did, because you said I was too drunk, and you did, and it's fine. I'm gonna do a breathalyzer, and you're gonna see. But it really hurts from a woman. It really hurts from a woman from the day and age that's not even 30. And if she is 30,
you're gonna keep yelling like this?
No, because it hurts. I just lost my child 2 days ago, and you literally told me I couldn't get on a flight. So you're gonna see. I hear you, sweetheart. I'm not drunk.
Airlines said you couldn't board.
Yes, you did.
American Airlines. I'm not.
And that's fine. And I respectfully hear you. And what I'm saying to you as a woman, what I'm saying, I'm not mad at you. What I'm saying to you as a woman, you stopped me from getting on a flight that I'm not drunk on.
You're not listening to us.
Because we didn't say.
I'm not mad at you.
American Airlines.
Baby, I don't think you understand what I'm saying. I hear you. I'm not mad at you. When whoever comes to get me and ID me,
I'm not sure.
Baby, what I'm saying is that I'm not mad at you. What I'm mad at is the fact that I can't get on my airline's to go to a 9 to 5 that I'm paying for. My son died 2 days ago, and you're not letting me allow to go on the plane. My son died. I can't bury him no more because you already making me late to my flight where I gotta bury my son. Ain't listen nothing because no, I'm mad because I can't bury my son. It doesn't matter what you're saying. Bring 911. It doesn't matter, bro. My son died from the mother. No! Now you started me because now I missed my flight. My son died. Listen, my son died from breathing.
Okay, you don't.
So now, because you delayed me. No, we're not gonna do this because you brought me to this. Because you stopped me from getting on my airline as a human civilian, as a black woman. You stopped me from that because whatever the airline was. Now let me let you know something. I'm not arguing with anybody here. Let me let you know something. I'm not drunk. My son died from breathing, and I'm not mad.
All right. That's enough.
That's fine.
That's enough.
That's fine. Take it. Go ahead, take it, Papa. I'm not mad. I'm just telling you my son died.
We gave you a chance.
And you can't take it. Take it. Go ahead. Go ahead, Papa. Take the bag. My son dead. Take it. My son dead. In the heaven gates. Take it. Sweetheart, I'm not disrespecting you. I'm just telling you. I'm not from here. I'm telling you, you allegedly let me didn't get on the flight because my son is dead and he didn't breathe on the 4th flight that he was blue. So you want to treat me like an animal? Go for it. Just let you know. Record this because the mother that was a sis.
All right.
I'm not arguing.
We're gonna go to route departures.
Go for it. I'm not mad at it.
Tampa International Airport
I don't give a what you is because I'm violating all y'all. Since my son dead, I'm gonna violate all y'all. So it's cool.
You seem fun.
It is. It's very fun. They're drilling in. I'm gonna
make sure I pat her down.
You gonna what?
No, I ain't even gonna say nothing. Go ahead, arrest me.
Pretty sure you are under
But when
arrest.
a dead son,
Do you have anything on you?
no, mama.
All right, you don't need to be.
No, mama. I'm going.
That's disgusting. All of this, they're gonna take off in the jail, okay?
Go ahead. I'm just letting you make sure I don't have no weapons, so I don't want you to think.
Thank you.
That's all. It wasn't to be sexual or none of that. You want to make sure I'm an animal?
It's not locked.
I got a picture of it.
Did you? Let me just grab a picture of her real quick.
Yep.
Here's the card. Can you look at me real quick? Just so you know, you are trespassed, okay?
I'm not.
So if you're here and you don't have official business here, you will be arrested for
I
trespass.
do have official business.
I'm just saying, but if you don't.
I do have official business,
All
and
right.
my son died, and you already didn't let me fly.
Huh? I'm good.
Got air back there? You want me to roll the window down or do you?
Sir, it doesn't even matter. My son died just 2 days ago.
I'm sorry.
It doesn't even matter. They treated me like an animal, and it is what it is. Take me to the precinct so I can call my dad.
Officers B+. Sustained de-escalation. Accurate legal explanation. No force used. Proper trespass notice issued. Deduction. No structured warning timeline. No grief crisis referral. Subject C+. 0 physical resistance. Complied fully at arrest. Deduction voluntary declaration to act a fool, refusal of a lawful directive, and a direct threat to a third party, each one independent probable cause exposure. Key takeaway. Profanity toward police is constitutionally protected under City of Houston versus Hill. Threats toward private individuals are not. Every statement after the first refusal was evidence. Compliance at arrest is always the correct legal response. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.